All right, baby. Let's get to it with finding trades now. Actually, so like I said, let me actually just go to it. UJ, I feel that we're not gonna have a trade today with UJ, but I might be wrong, right? They just mark off this 5 minute area on the 5 minute, so let's actually go to the 5 minute. Um, okay, so I did mark this off on a 5 minute time frame. I have to see basically like what happens right here, right? Not taking a trade off UJ, so I'm just gonna mark this off my list for the day, right? Now with gold, right? Gold's getting a little freaky right now, right? Gold's at, like I said, gold's at 2040, right? And it's really doesn't want to make a decision, basically, right? All right, so if gold's able to break 2040, I would look for a break and retest and take the trade up, right? Let's go to a higher time frame. So if gold's able to break 2040, right? Like I said, I look for a break and a retest of 2040, and I'll take the trade up into 2046, right? So goals look like we might actually be able to close above it on a 15 minute. So that's good to know. So if we break above, right, I will look for a retest at 2040, and as I look for basically an entry pattern right here back at 2040 for gold. So this really is my only trade idea I have for the day, kind of, sort of. Let me actually go to GU actually. Okay, so GU just broke 120. GU. Oh, okay. So GU just literally broke 127.53. So yeah, we might actually get a trade set up with GU also. Let's go to 15. So if we are able to retest this area right here, so we're able to retest this area again. I've been looking for a trade with GU. I'm taking it to 27.332. So them are my two trade ideas for the day. The gold trade looks a little bit more promising. But all I know, it can just shoot up, right? Not even give me a retest, right? But I'm entering in off the retest. This I take up. Same with GU. Entering it off the retest and entering up. I meant to do this next. Entering up. Okay. So them are my two trade ideas for the day. It's only what did you say, 7:45. So the 15-minute candle is about to get close. So that is good. Did I mean to do that? Okay. This is why I trade three pairs really. So you know, if one pair is not vibing, I got two other pairs to vibe with, right? Okay, so we did get a close on the 15-minute on gold. But it's these wicks with gold, right? Just look at these wicks, right? Getting the wick right there, and this we just had another wick right there, right? So that's a little sketchy, but hey, and GU was not able to close above. So, like I said, just narrowing down. Maybe this gold trade's the only trade I actually look at today and potentially take. Um, 'Cause we just actually got to close above, and we just wait for a retest now. So I'll come at you guys if I get a nice, decent retest. You guys will know. If I don't, you guys will know. Above this high right here, I'll be entering in on this GU trade. Um, Based off a break and retest, taking the trade on a area of resistance, support resistance. So if we are able to close, actually had a aggressive entry, some will say right here, based off the close of that. So wick. So we was wicking it up right there. So like I said, we able to close. I getting that trade. I'm not gonna take this gold trade based off the fact that it didn't come down low enough for me to enter. But this gold trade would have been a 2-to-1. So I'm just kill that trade idea, and focus on this GU trade. And like I said, UJ was already out of the equation for the day. So, like I said, if we're able to keep this up for another minute, we'll be entering. I actually don't have that much batting percent left neither, so that's kind of a win. So let's actually see real quick how much of a lot size we enter with. GU, GUBD. We're gonna be risking 1% on this trade. And calculate. %. Okay, 0.49. Okay, just did a nice buy. Okay, cool. Immediately soon I bought up $15-16 already. We are pushing up $17. Let me put my stop loss in place actually. Modify position, stop loss at 127.002. So I'm risking $52. Get a little lower than that. Up $25. And I'm take profit's going to be one. Take profit level 127.333. Okay, modify. So I'm risking $52 for $109. That's actually not real good risk right there, to be honest. But we just let the trade play out. So basically, if we come back below this area, the trade was invalid. It's all on my face. I can't lie, life great. $31 up. I can't lie, life's good. No, good. I made it out the hood. Like I said, risking $52 for $109 doesn't sound very pleasing. Like I said, this gold trade wasn't it for me. UJ actually jumping right now. I can't lie, like great. Might move my stop loss to break even right here. If we close 2 minutes, I move my stop loss into place. Oh, that's literally what I bought it actually. Entry level. Entry. Wow, it might not even be a good trade, bro. Hold on. Entry price 127. 110. Okay, it's still a 2-1. Okay. Up 37 buckaroos. 38 bucks now. Now UJ is actually looking very interesting now. I feel like UJ is going to be a nice pair to trade in Asia session today. Maybe breaking retest off that later on in Asia session or later on in New York session. I keep forgetting that my laptop's about to die. So basically gonna put my laptop on the charger, guys, and be back with you guys shortly. I had to disconnect my laptop from the big screen. Look like we about to do a little retracement. Um, $42 up. So 47. Actually close that. Okay. I wouldn't mind moving my stop loss into profit. So there can be a free trade. On my face. I can't lie, it's great. Yeah, let the trade play out. Fuck it. Okay, guys. I meet you guys on the upside. If the trade hits, you guys will know. If trade don't hit, you guys will also know. I'm not gonna just sit here and watch the trade. I'm about to continue listening to music and chilling. Might go make something to eat. Who knows?